Hello guys, long time no see. Where was I in my videos? Cause it was a long time since I was making these Python videos. Part two Python Turtle Basics. Ooh. Okay, so part two Python Turtle Basics. Where was I? Ah yes, the cool stuff. And let's make a new file. So where was I? Python code. The cool stuff of Python Turtle Basics. Python Turtle Basics. The cool stuff, which is part two of Python Turtle Basics. That's the basics, and so it's like if you are watching the second part, I suggest you watch the first part, which is how to do the movements and stuff, and the cool stuff. So here we are going to draw some colourful shapes, and we are going to draw stars. So I hope there's a Java version for Turtle, because if you are bored seeing only Python, I could do Java if you want me to, because actually that's a language that I might be able to do when I learn the basics of it. Import Turtle. So and the turtle which as the turtle bot, and the bot which will draw the turtle will be the soup. Let's call the bot Superstar. Superstar equals turtle.pen. Although you can do turtle.turtle, it's the same thing. Because Superstar will draw superstars. So speed 0. Superstar dot so def soup star length points. I hope there isn't any background noise. So star length points. We are going to pass for now. So turtle.done. Let's see if it works. F and F5. F and F5. So it works. So let's shut it down. Def star length points. We are going to but actually we need to find something else first. Def back without pen. So that means length. So superstar dot up, superstar dot back, length, superstar dot down. So common sense. Superstar dot down. Superstar dot back length. If we want to move forward, you could. If you want to move forward, try to answer. Pause the video. 1, 2, 3. So just negate length, so that it will just move. So that it will just move forward. Moving back a negative amount is moving forward. So start length points. Back without pen. Length over 2. That superstar dot left 90. Actually, is it left? Yep, left. Back without head. Don't want to make any Super Idol references. Length over points. So superstar dot right 90. Well, I could flex and do superstar dot left negative 90. So for I range, I use I a lot. It's just I think it's actually a convention. So it is a convention for iron range heights. Back. No, not that. With iron range heights. Superstar dot forward length. Superstar dot left. Superstar dot left 90? No, not 90. Of course not 90. Actually, we should do 180 minus 180 divided by points. Actually, what? No, what? It's not like this because there's an even element here. Actually, I'll show you later. I'm not sure. I thought the spaces were. I thought there was an inconsistency in tabs and spaces. Because that actually does matter though. Because if there's an inconsistency, then it won't work. Because a tab is not the same as four spaces, and it has to either the tabs are all it's just tab or space. I'm using tab here, and it automatically converts into spaces. Superstar dot left 180 minus 180 divided by points. Superstar dot forward. I'm assuming that you know all of the Python basics. And it's, yep. Actually, yep, that's it. And you don't need brackets because Python actually does follow BIDMAS or BODMAS, or whatever you want to call it. Python does follow the order of operations, so forward. Actually, no. Star. Not this. Star 107 because it works here. Does actually for I in range again. 7 star I actually 18 star I times 100 7. That's not a superstar. That's a super mess. Yeah, it's called a super mess. So we will not draw superstars like that because they end up as super messes. So back superstar left 90, superstar, back without pen. I need the back without pen function. Left divided by negative points. Superstar dot right 90. Left, right, back without pen. Length over 2. So negative 2 actually. So F and F5. That's what you call a actual superstar. Because now it's a superstar. So you do superstar. So now that it's a superstar, let's add some color in it. So for colors equals violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Doing it backwards. Star I times 100 divided by 7. Color. Fill. If fill. So if fill. No, not like this. If fill. Superstar dot begin fill. Superstar dot end fill. If fill superstar dot end fill actually. But not turtle, but superstar dot color colors I minus 1. I percent 7 minus 1. Actually. Get that away. Third. Source saved and nothing. Because star makes a one positional argument. Fill. I had 7 false. Actually, that's a nice looking star. False. Let's turn it into true. They'll probably ruin anything. That will probably ruin everything though. Red. So it didn't ruin everything. But we could actually set up some cool animation by doing it at 30. I hope this doesn't overload the computer. So it slows down. has some nice thing. Okay, so that wasn't good. 140. Should should actually I should actually stop wasting time doing this user stuff and actually focus on doing do some more useful stuff rather than wasting time on something that wasting time on this. We should actually make a cool pattern. Actually, but you should let's enjoy the screen. Let's enjoy the rainbow changing screen, and the enjoyment ends. Let's move it back to 8. Uh, 8 1 minus 1. Uh, star. Uh. Now that's some cool looking star. But 7-0. So we can finally go back to this. How? Now that's some superstar. That's what you call a superstar. This is a superstar. That's some superstar. And then if I want to make it if I make that superstar to a supernova, space reference, I'll just make it to 15. It has to be odd though. No, that's a supernova. That's some nice supernova. Like as in a star, the superstar exploded in the supernova. No, that's superstar. Let's move it back to 7, and now 7 minus I. 7 minus I. Well, that's a superstar of another kind. And why not evens, you might ask? Because if you even try doing it even, well, but now that's out of range. Percent 7, 8, 8%. No, that doesn't work anymore. So 8%. 8%. 1 minus I. So if it's 1 minus 8 by minus 8 by let's try it. Oh, that didn't work. I times 108. This is bad. It can still be a superstar if you can still if you view it in that way. But look, the angles have all been wonked up, so it can't. So it's bad. So we'll have to do it this way. So for if len no 8% to equals 0. So well, is else this. Now this will change to 360 divided by points. And then let's run this. Still doesn't work. Ah yes, wrong place. This should remain the same. Now it works. Now it works. Three times points. So actually that doesn't work. Aha! Where? There, yeah, there. Left Control C, Control V. There. Maybe not this. Plus 10 times points. 10. 10. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm a perfectionist. 20? 20? So because I might actually cut off for some bits. Sorry about that. It's because I'm starting to run out of storage and my video size is getting too large. I've already cut off once. And I might cut off the second time. Sorry about that if I do. 50. I just beaten a dead horse now. Oh, it doesn't do anything. Anything. So I shouldn't even be bothering to do this. Should have left it alone in the first place. So that didn't work. So the superstar should be about it. I think you are good enough to. I think you are good enough to make this better, and that is. I'm not sure how to improve it, and it looks like I was going to be at the end of the video anyway. So, I forgot how many subscribers I've had. About 45. 44. 44. So I got 44 subscribers. And please make it 45. Please. Also, please get it. Please, 45th subscriber. Please. I will be doing. I'll soon be doing a 50 subscriber special. So And if you want this to come out, subscribe, because subscribe, because then I will be making something very cool, something which is much more cooler than just a star, mm, something which is much more cool. So subscribe, like, possibly share, please, definitely. And that's the end of this video. Bye.